feels so weird because I'm used to this. Now I'm back to boom, boom, boom. Fucking crazy. Woo. Gotta get that clutch feel back. Holy shit. Wow, coming from that DualSport back down to this is like fucking night and day. Feels weird to have power at the flick of my fucking cock beater. I kind of miss doing the mountain riding. Oh, these brakes are gorgeous. Oh man, I missed these brakes. I wish I had this power. Ooh shit, there's a motorcycle cop right there that has someone pulled over. I better watch out. And that'll go ahead and bring us to our first topic. They actually had a day where they were going after motorcycles out here in San Bernardino, if you can believe that. Go ahead, run, bitch. I don't know what all this garbage is, but we are not going to wait in it. Holy shit, are you kidding me, old lady? So back to what I was saying. Red light again, and this dickhead getting in front of me. Huh? Good move there. Smooth move, X-Lax. Smooth move, X-Lax. Yeah, when I went to go put insurance on the DualSport, my insurance agent said, "Did you hear about the whole bunch of tickets they gave out to motorcycles?" I was like, hell no. And it was the day previous to me getting my insurance. Woo, this weekend's getting older. And oh my god, it feels so weird riding this still. Guys, gonna take a couple manitos to get used to. You know, it's funny, riding that DualSport for like a solid week and then going back to this, it kind of makes me realize that I take the power of this bike for granted. It's actually like, you know, it's got, obviously it's not the most powerful thing, but, you know, you can tell it's got balls. Oh, I miss doing that shit, man. I'm button on my chin straps fucking loose as a fucking dead hooker vagina.
Say what?
Oh yeah, baby. San Bernardino National Forest. Yeah. I bet my baby's happy to be on the road after a long sleep. Good little vacation from the dually. So while doing something that, you know, could kill me instantly, I'll go ahead and talk about the topic of Paul Walker. I am very sad to hear about Paul Walker dying, for one, because of, you know, he wasn't drinking, he wasn't the one driving, and he just died, you know, just out with his buddies having some fun. And it sucks, you know, because we all like to go out and have a little fun, you know, sometimes we push ourselves a little more than the limit, just for that little adrenaline rush from here to here, and, you know, it's totally understandable, and it just, you know, and I heard from what I saw, you know, that guy that was driving was actually a professional driver, retired one, you know, good buddies with Paul Walker. So, you know, it's pretty sad, man. I feel bad. So this is dedicated to you, buddy. Oh, the 636 is smiling ear to ear. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. And one thing I saw that was really sad was Paul Walker's daughter made a tweet, you know, and it had a picture of her and him when she was like, you know, about a decade younger. So it was an older picture, and like when you see that and you see how happy of a father and, you know, how good of a person he was, and not to mention the dude actually spent over 2 million of his own doll hairs to help the people that were fucked over from all the bullshit national disasters that were or natural disasters. God, I can't even fucking talk. To help all those people. I mean, no matter how rich you are, over 2 million doll hairs is a lot of money to just give up just to help somebody. And that's like, that goes to show a big heart the guy had. And you know, and like, it goes to show you, man, no matter who you are, what you do, or how skilled you are, especially in this case, you can always die at any second. And that's why it's always good just to enjoy life, you know, as much as you can. Obviously, don't go out intentionally trying to kill yourself. Man, I feel bad for the dude, and especially the family. Just to have a good dude just obviously just wiped off the earth in a split second. Shit sucks, man. Oh man, one thing is, I'd like to talk about is that transitional feeling. Man, those of you that's never rode street bikes and vice versa, never rode a supermoto, dirt bike, etc. Man, it's like 2 totally different fucking experiences of riding. I shit you not. And you know, since all the reasons are fresh in my head, I can go ahead and fucking state that shit. The most obvious reason is the fucking seating position. So, you know, obviously this will help also if you've never rode on a motorcycle either. Maybe this information will be useful for you. But the seating position is like you're working to ride a Supersport. Unless, you know, you're using your legs to hold yourself on your gas tank. You know, you're making yourself not have full pressure on your handlebars, you know, the way you're supposed to do it. So, you know, you're constantly working yourself riding one of these bad boys. And, you know, I'd say it's a lot more skill riding one of these, obviously, because of the power, your cornering. It takes a lot more, like, body position techniques, unless, you know, you're going towards off-roading and fucking doing MX fucking jumps and shit, then that's a whole nother ball game. Then that's a whole nother set of skills for that bullshit. But as far as, you know, just riding street normal like that, that's what I'm basing this off of. Is you know, this one takes work to ride opposed to the little dually. Pick a lane, buddy. These brakes are so fucking good. I've never fucking really realized how good the brakes are on a ZX6R. Like there's a Moto Sequay behind me. Whenever I come across another bike on the street, on the DualSport, I'm always like, fuck, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep up with this dude. And then when I come across a bike on this, or another bike on this bike, I'm like, hell yeah, let's go on a little fun riding adventure through the cars. Let's play the filter game and see who can filter through quicker. I don't know. Sometimes, like, if I find a rider that's down for it on the street, I like to play the filter game. Yeah, no, it's not safe. Hoopla. But, you know, pay attention and it's good. You can do good like this. Do Civics really say VTEC on the corner like that?
Hey, take it easy.
Fuck the DMV. You can go suck on a hairy fucking caveman ballsack. Chill!
Yeah!
look at this tight split right here. It's like a... Oh yeah, about the little tickets free the cops are giving out here in San Bernardino. He showed me the article, and if I can find it, I'll definitely link it for you guys, because it was crazy. They supposedly gave out 183 tickets. Chill. Thank you. Thank you. Kid's funny.
Yeah.
So them cops spent a day, and it's funny, you know, like look at all my motovlogs and you tell me how many motorcycles I actually come across. It's like none. And they use San Bernardino as like a little turf to like fuck over motorcycle riders. And they stopped them for every little minute violation, I heard. Like if they fucking like scratched their dickhead while riding, they fucking stopped them for taking their hand off their handlebar and shit. It was crazy.
Yeah. Yeah.
He looks like a white Osama bin Laden.
Hey, take it easy.
Lane splitting, lane splitting, da na 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 na, lane splitting, lane splitting, lane splitting, da na 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 na, lane splitting. That's the lane splitting song I like to sing when I'm lane splitting. And I'm cutting in between them cars. Man, this intersection is a pile of chill. I think he just told me to go fuck myself, but it was inaudible for me. Oh man, the other differences between this and the fucking Supersports and some fucking or the street bikes and dirt bikes in general is that suspension. You can like fucking go over a pile of speed bumps with fucking jagged rocks hanging out of them on a dirt bike, and like it won't even phase you. But then you go over something like that on one of these, and your fucking balls are gonna be kicked up into your throat. So, you know, it's a preference. I want to do some parking lot exhaust. I miss this exhaust. I miss that scream of my bike going. Choo, 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 choo. Go ahead and scoot over. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, I love the parking structure at this fucking abandoned ass mall. Time for some tunnel exhaust. This ground is as slippery as it looks. Oh, it's like fucking an orgasm going on in my ear when I hear that. Literally. Bet the people outside this place are like, what the fuck is that shit? Ooh, look at this ticket. Ooh. Oh, look, a wild motorcycle appears. What's that? Is that an RSX? Shit's clean. Real clean. It's a matte black just like I love. That got her attention immediately. Yeah. Here's the bacon station, aka the Popo station, aka the pig farm, aka the police station, aka government revenue enhancement officers. And there's code enforcement, aka people that fuck over people at their own properties, aka pieces of shit, aka scumbags, aka dickheads. Go ahead and cross. Man, if I had the money, I'd probably turn this bitch into a stunt bike by now. Since, you know, I got a second bike and all now. And I love the little DR just to putt around town to get my shit I need and stuff. So, you know, this is basically just my fun bike now. Or vice versa, however you want to look at it. But I wouldn't mind stunt biking this bitch. She's had a full life. I mean, she can have some more fun doing some stunts. Between this and my little dually, I'm gonna go set my dualies, my little chill back, fucking lazy boy, fucking just kicking it, cruising, putting around town, hooliganisms, climbing any surface, riding any terrain kind of bike. And this is my whole ass, immediate power, fucking beast of a machine. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Like somebody, fuck you, bitch.
Oh my god, that was close. You fucking dumb bitch. It's like fucking National Blind Ass Crack Day. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys off. I appreciate you guys enjoying the DualSport videos, those of you who watch them and enjoy them. And I'm sorry for not making as many 636 videos anymore, but that DualSport, I gotta admit, that thing is fun as fuck. Like, it's just so cool just to go anywhere I fucking want, get like, it seems 100 miles to the gallon. And it's just a nice putt around, comfortable bike. And you know me, I love trail riding, so that's why I'm riding the shit out of it. So if you guys like seeing a lot of those videos, just let me know. If you want to see more 636 videos than those, they won't be coming as frequently because I don't ride this as much anymore as I used to, obviously, because it's not the only bike anymore. But I don't mind straddling my ass in this ZX6R seat. All the bumps. That being said, I'm gonna go jump on the DualSport right now and go on an adventure. Thanks for watching today's moto vlog adventure. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the that like button, and you guys have yourselves an amazing day. See you later, guys. Chill.